Welcome back. If you're new, please subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. It is May the 8th of 2019. It's been 40 weeks already since we got started with the Red Wigglers. Let's check them out. And like always, we'll start off with the Worm Factory 360. Still trying to get the worms to migrate out of this top tray down. That used to be the bottom tray. Got a few worms in there. See, a couple dozen already anyways. So they must be working through some food in here still. Just kind of aerate this up a little bit. Yep, got a few worms. Nothing too exciting in that tray. Let's see what's going on down below. And our middle tray, you can see where some of the castings have fallen through. This is mainly shredded cardboard and paper and a little bit of peat moss. See a few worms in there. Just kind of aerate this out a little bit too. There's a good size one. Got a few mites. Yep, there's a little bit of worms in here, but not many. So, let's see where they're all at. In the bottom tray still. And same here. A lot of castings on top, which this was our coffee grounds and filters tray. Almost 100% coffee grounds and a little bit of shredded paper and peat moss. And that's where they're all at. Quite a few in there. Just all eating away. Kind of aerate this up a little bit too. Not seeing very many coffee filters left. Quite a few worms. Some small ones, some bigger ones. It's a pretty good size one there. So they're still mainly in this bottom tray, working through the coffee. Don't see much carbon left at all, just very little. And we'll look underneath. Quite a few castings in the bottom there. A few on the worm ladder, a few hanging down. Now we'll take a look in on our bait cups. See a few worms. Good size one. Well, let's see what's in here first. This was our separation bin.
I'll put a few pieces of banana in here. I might have already worked through it though, because there's a bunch in here. There they are, all balled up on that banana. Look at that. Isn't it amazing how they just ball up like that? And there's another one. Two nice big balls of worms. So that's where the majority of them are. Oh, we got another one. Hey. Gosh. I'd say that's a good 1,000 or so between that ball that one. I mean, that's a lot of dang worms. I'm just gonna put them in this corner with the banana. That way I know where they're at. Quite a few. There's a bunch of worms. Alright, now let's take a look at the bait cup. See what we got here. Not many, it doesn't look like. Well, take that back. A good couple dozen anyways. Bunch of mites too. So I'll bury that banana in there too. And we got another bait cup in here somewhere. There it is. Oh yeah, look at that. A lot more worms in that one. Tearing it up. Lots of worms, lots of red wigglers. I'll throw them in here too. Alright, so the bait cup come through again. Take a look through here and see if we got very many worms left. There's one right off the bat. Oh yeah, there's still several dozen anyways, just from the first two handfuls. They're working through it. Finishing up on the castings. They're finishing up on the food, making it more castings. But I'd say this is a good 90%, if not more, castings. there's still several dozen worms in here. Oh yeah, quite a few. So we'll go ahead and mix up some bait cups. Try it again. We got quite a few this time. Sure we'll get quite a few for next week. Smells nice and earthy. Guess I can go ahead and pick a few of these out. Easy pickings.
Got another great Red Wiggler Wednesday. Hit that thumbs up, leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.